Ganyan na, kagago ang sistema natin dito. Pero may mga tao pa dyan na walang konsensya, na walang ginawa, kundi puro na lang politiko ang pag-iisip. Kasing dumi ng kanilang mga konsensya. They're no different from these very powerful people who continue to destroy our nation. Public service is never easy. Each day calls us to go beyond ourselves, to smile even when we are tired, to give even when we are already stretched thin, to rise above challenges and stand firm for the people who depend on us. Yet, it is always a sacrifice that is filled with a lot of fulfillment. And this is precisely what I'm going through now, at present. I've never been so busy in my entire life. Ngayon lang. And I would like to apologize to each and every one of you if I cannot perform my task as your mayor of the city of Baguio. It's not an easy task, believe me. It's very challenging and it is very dangerous as well. Fighting all these very powerful and moneyed people in our country today. And I was expecting, I anticipated that corruption is widespread. But now that I've been going around the country, I've never expected that it is just so deeply entrenched. The magnitude is unbelievable. The magnitude is incredible. Corruption, especially in the infrastructure projects or infrastructure sector, has already become a cottage industry, a livelihood program. Sa dami ng pinuntahan namin mga projects, wala ni isa kaming nakitang maayos. And these are in hundreds of millions of pesos. Ibig sabihin yan, it has become so systemic, highly organized, highly syndicated. Nakakalungkot isipin na itong mga taong ito, sinisira nila ang kinabukasan ng ating bansa. And please, let us not allow this passion to address corruption short-lived. It should be a long-term engagement. Huwag po natin pabayaan na nakawin nila ang kinabukasan ng ating mga kabataan. Huwag natin pabayaan na nakawin nila ang kinabukasan ng ating bayan. And sometimes in my private moments, I weep because I've never seen this kind of corruption. Nakita ko yung mga extortion, mga pangikikil. Pero believe me, this is something very, very different. I can only bow my head and express my frustration. It's a sacrifice. Sometimes I think the safety of my family. Napakahirap labanan ang korupsyon. Dahil lagi na lang may mga taong wala nang ginawa kundi mamulitika at sirain pa yung ating reputasyon. Ganyan na, kagago ang sistema natin dito. Nakikipaglaban na tayo araw-araw, sacrificing our safety, sacrificing our life. Pero may mga tao pa dyan na walang konsensya, na walang ginawa, kundi puro na lang politiko ang pag-iisip. Kasing dumi ng kanilang mga konsensya. They're no different from these very powerful people who continue to destroy our nation. Let me go back. Please know that we deeply appreciate the support each one of you have given to our advocacies. Even as you understand that sometimes some of us need to be away to fulfill our task beyond what we do in our city. Everything we do, everything we push for is with one dream in mind, so that future generations will no longer have to endure the struggles and difficulties that we are experiencing today. Always remember that public service is both an honor and responsibility. What you do every day is strengthen the foundations of good governance, uplift the dignity of our people, and inspire others to believe that change is possible. I keep on saying this as well. It doesn't take one to have a title, to have money, to have fame, to change the world. May you never lose your heart in this mission. It is for the generations that will come after us. And so to our awardees, I congratulate each and every one of you. You are the embodiment of what it truly means to serve with excellence, extraordinary dedication, and sacrifice. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Mabuhay po ang ating syudad. Mabuhay po sana ang ating bayang Pilipinas.